Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Here I can this viral maths, very popular one. This one is tricky, but we will solve it from PEMDAS and step by step. So if you think 9 minus 6, that is 3, into 9 minus 6, that is 3, is equal to 9, then this will become wrong answer. Okay, if you have already done the right answer, then comment in the description, or you can say I will give a heart to your question and answer. So first in the PEMDAS rule, first one is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Here first is parentheses. We will solve from here. Minus 6, that is 3. Now we will solve 9 minus 6 into 3. We can simply write like this. For multiply by 6 into 3, 9 minus 18 the next step. Now 9 minus 18, that is minus 9, and this will be the right answer. And if you want to become a 0 to hero in maths, go and check out our 13 book, which will be available in our description. Keep subscribe us and keep watching. Thanks for watching.